Our goal here is that we think that the people that come through this class will take it back to their community. Avondale and the people that are looking for work and looking for careers, jobs are all over, right? We have to agree, but careers are not. So this is an opportunity for them to have a full-time career, something they can be proud of, and something that affects their community. We're doing a big project there now, so they can see how it's impacting the community. The number one thing is confidence. We want them to learn that they can think for themselves. We want them to think on their feet. We want them to be able to have the confidence that they can make a rational decision without having to consult with someone else, because we're not always going to be there for them. When they come into here, especially like the people from Avondale that we've taken in full time for the first 2 or 3 weeks, they follow me around. We actually go on a job site. I visit Avondale and different job sites to just looking to see if there's a production ways that we can make changes to help production, or we do classroom study, we do hands-on, they do quizzes every day, and we also do equipment training here. We want them to understand that at any given time, they can call me, stop in, I can go out there, that we can answer questions, we can show them how to do something. If they're confused on something, they can call me, we can straighten them out. That we're like the technical support for them, and they didn't have that before. If the guy on the job didn't show them something, they just didn't get it. Well, that's not the case anymore. They have me. They can call me and I can come out and look it over. We make a decision the best possible way to approach it, and they feel confident that they got me backing them up. HGC has given me all authority to do anything I need to do to make this job work, but HGC has backed me 100%.